Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. Today's recipe is a very delicious combo meal. We are going to make mushrooms in spiced creamy sauce and serving it with lemon coriander fried rice. This combination is really very delicious and my favorite. I'm adding some broccoli to the mushrooms, but there are other options as well. You can go for bell peppers or baby corn. Non-vegetarians can go for shredded chicken. It really comes out so tasty. So make and enjoy this combination meal and let me know if you liked it. First we are going to make the fried rice. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you may also use any cooking oil. Let the butter melt. Toss it around with the spatula. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. I freeze my garlic. It's really very handy. If you want to check out the detailed video, I'm sharing the link in the description box and the I button. Now saute the garlic lightly till it changes color and dip in the onions, sliced onions. I have taken 1 small onion and cut into thin long slices. Saute it along with the garlic. We'll just let the color change, we'll not overcook it. Just cover and simmer it a bit till it becomes translucent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed green chillies. Or you can chop them up very finely, but I have this paste also ready always. When you do these pre-preparations, cooking becomes very easy. Everything is handy and available in the freezer. Add salt as needed. And lots of coriander leaves, about 3/4 cup, finely chopped. This is the key ingredient in this dish, so add as much as you like. Give them a stir. I really love coriander flavor. Squeeze out lemon juice. I've used half lemon, which is about 1 tablespoon. Mix them well. And now add the cooked rice, which is about 2 cups. Boil the rice in the morning or few hours before so that it remains grainy. Mushy rice doesn't taste good in fried rice. Now give it a nice stir. Everything is mixed very well. Simple and flavorful lemon coriander fried rice is ready. Now let's proceed to make the creamy mushrooms. In a pan, take 1½ teaspoons of butter. We are also going to take little oil. If you wish, you can just have 2 to 3 teaspoons of butter, but I like mixing butter and oil, which makes the dish little lighter. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix them together with the spatula and let the butter melt. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Fry it lightly. I am breaking it as it is frozen. Toss it around until it changes color. Now add half teaspoon of oregano and quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Give them a nice stir. After adding these, you can see the color has become lovely. Nice aroma of garlic and oregano being fried in butter. Add half cup of mushrooms. These are lightly tossed in oil when I buy the mushrooms, because they change color unless you cook them the same day. Then I cut them, slice them and saute them with little oil and freeze them, so you can use it as and when required. I have also posted a video on this, you can check it out. The link will be shared in the description box. Now add some broccoli. This is blanched broccoli. Just give one boil with little bit of salt added to the water, drain it, and this also can be frozen. Saute both of them together. Add handful of spring onions. I freeze the spring onion also. You wash it very well, dry it under the fan for few hours. Then you cut the onions and freeze them in the Ziploc bag. All these tips are very handy. It makes your cooking easier and faster. Now this is done. We are going to remove this in a bowl and set it aside, and add it later after making the creamy sauce. Now in the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you may use butter, but I use olive oil. Spread it around. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. Fry it with the spatula. Maintain medium flame, and for this a thick bottomed heavy pan is better. Stir it until you see the bubbles and the rawness of the flour is gone. The color will change slightly. Don't let it become brown. It has to remain white. Now reduce the flame and add quarter teaspoon of oregano and quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. You may also add crushed black pepper if you like. Look at the color, how lovely it looks now after the spices are added. Now add 1 cup of milk. Keep stirring continuously so that there are no lumps and the sauce is nice and smooth. You need to add more liquid, but now I will not add more milk but add water instead, or you can also use vegetable stock. Too much of milk makes it very heavy, so I prefer water or vegetable stock. Add little by little, mix it and then add it again as required, stirring it all the time until you get the desired consistency. I've added water twice, which is about 1 cup nearly. Now this is a perfect texture. At this stage, I am adding the sauteed vegetables. This thickens on keeping, keep that in mind. So add the stock or water accordingly. Check the salt. It's better to make this ready just before you serve. You can saute the vegetables ahead of time, and 5 minutes before you're serving your lunch or dinner, make the sauce ready and complete the dish and enjoy it hot. The delicious combo meal is served. Flavorful coriander and lemon fried rice with mushrooms and broccoli in spiced creamy sauce. You make it with the vegetables of your choice. Let's do the tasting. I can't wait. This meal is really yum. You all will surely enjoy it. It's so delicious. Friends, thank you for watching, and here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well. See you soon. Bye.